should have been videotaping all this shit. All them damn roosters. Hey, young boy, can you throw one close? Like, bring them close? Like, one of them doing. I like to find it. But throw one, you know, right close. Yeah. All right. Yeah, appreciate it, young boy. I'll take it for you. I know you don't want to hold it no more. Appreciate it. Your mother. What's that red shit hanging from your neck? You that shit. Yeah, okay. God damn, how many of them is it? Nah, they don't like no pineapple. Oh yeah, throw a pineapple over there, nigga. See what they like. They like fruit. They like natural shit. Right. And some. Yeah, they like pineapple. Oh, they don't? Damn. God damn! Damn! Hey, what's some shit? Coconuts. They all coconuts on the ground. Is that what that is?